You wanted to see my part 2 to my Dollar Tree Christmas haul, so let's get to it. I really am impressed with the ornaments that Dollar Tree is carrying this year, and these are part of that. They have different colors. I was super drawn to the red ones. I absolutely love them, so I had to pick up the glitter one and the matte one, but of course there are so many different options that you can go with, and for the size and the cost, these cannot be beat. Dollar Tree year after year brings back these clear ornaments. I have priced these at other stores, and no matter what, the dollar for this is definitely the best price you're gonna get. I think that is such a good deal. The smaller ones, you get 2 for $1. I absolutely love getting these, and the fact that they're plastic means no breaking glass. Now these are brand new to Dollar Tree, and let me tell you, I was so excited to see these. You have a gingerbread man, Santa, and a snowman. I think they are so cute, and there are definitely some fun things that you can do with these. I'm really excited to see what everyone is going to be doing with them. If you've already picked these up, I would love to know that in the comments. Something else that is brand new to Dollar Tree this year are these little Jingle Bells. Are they not the cutest thing? They are on wired twine, and seriously, love these. I was getting DMs on Instagram. If you ever see anything in store that you think I need to know about or I would love to know about, please send me a message, because that tells me I need to make sure I'm hitting up the stores and looking for them. That's how I knew to keep my eyes out for these, and I am so excited that I did. They are 9 feet long. You have gold, you have the red and green, silver, and a solid red. So many things that you can do with them. They are just too cute, and for $1, yes. Of course, Dollar Tree is gonna be coming out with some different signs and things like that that I think are great to pick up, but I could not resist picking up this cute little MDF wood sign. It is actually double-sided. I love that you have Baking Spirit Sprite with a gingerbread on one side, and on this other side it says, "Eat, drink, and be merry," and you have your little cocoa on one side, and hold on. I'm not sure what is on this side. It's just a gingerbread with a stocking and a candy cane. That is what is on that side. But I just think that this is super cute. You can put it either way, and if you happen to have it sitting like on a sofa table, it wouldn't matter what side people see it from, because it doesn't have a front or a back, which I think is genius. Hopefully by now we realize that Dollar Tree is the place to go for gift bags. I also think it is the place to go for gift boxes. You can get so many different sizes and shapes. This is a new one. I love it because it has like the little, well, technically I think these are more sequins than glitter because they're larger and they move, and I think that this is so cute. But look at all these other different ones that you can pick up. Hard to believe that all of these are only $1. That's such a good price, and they are adorable. I plan on using the larger ones that are probably meant for wine bottles to actually put my kids' Christmas PJs in. I think they are the perfect size to kind of roll them up and put them in, and I'm pretty excited about that. So think outside the box when you're looking at the boxes. Something new that Dollar Tree brought this year that goes along with the bags and the boxes are these cute little canvas bags in 2 different sizes. Are you kidding me? So first you have this large size. You have a red with a little snowflake, merry and bright, as well as this tree. You get 2 for that $1. You have the exact same patterns here on these smaller ones, and you get 3. Doesn't matter which one you go with, it just really depends on what size you need for what you're doing. I think that these are awesome. I love it. Yes, Dollar Tree, thank you so much. I will absolutely be using these for like teacher gifts, bus driver gifts. I'm really excited. In my last haul, I shared so many different gnome finds that I was kind of excited about, and let me just tell you, I understand. You either are into the gnomes or you are like, gnome please. You guys, I think they're kind of cute, I'm not gonna lie. But look at these. So if you wanted to decorate your entire house in gnomes, Dollar Tree has you covered. They pretty much just like vomited gnomes everywhere this year. So you have a couple of gnome ornaments just hanging out right here. They really stuck in these red and gray tones for it. And then you have these gnomes, we'll say on a stick, that would go like in a floral situation. I'm not really sure what else. I mean, you can take them off the stick if you want to. I mean, you can use your imagination. Honestly, you can use these however you want. But I mean, they are cute. I like Santa gnomes. I do. And if you thought that was all they had in gnomes, it's not. They also have this white ceramic gnome. In my last haul, did you see my not salt and pepper shaker gnomes? Because they look like they should be, but they're not. If you missed that, you really should go check it out. Anyway, this at least does not look like a salt and pepper shaker. It is meant for you to paint. Honestly, I like him white. I think he's really cute and would look really cute like on a tier tray or just like as an accent in like a little vignette. He's a little understated. So I think he's really darling. So for somebody that's not quite in the realm of I hate gnomes, but maybe I'm not quite sure, he might be the good I'm dipping my toes into the gnome world. Something else that Dollar Tree did right this year were all of their bows. There are so many super cute bows, whether you're doing them on packages, wreaths, no matter what. And a few of the ones that I really liked this year were first these velvet bows. They did come in a couple other colors as well. I just picked up this tan neutral color one and the red. I figured those would be the best for the color schemes that I'm gonna be working with, but you could have got purple and silver as well. Absolutely beautiful. And the fact that you get 2 of them, I think is a great price. And then I could not resist this burlap one with Christmas trees on it as well. I thought it was darling. They also had one that had the red truck on it, if that is something that you would be into. And they had these as well in a larger size, which would look adorable on a wreath. For those of you who have been around for a while, it's no surprise that I have a slight obsession with garlands, so I could not resist picking up the 2 that Dollar Tree brought out for Christmas. We have our snowman one and our Santa one. I think they are super cute, but you don't have to leave them as garland. You can pull them off of their ribbon and you could use them like as gift tags. You could use them to create some new piece of decor. You could use them however your imagination will take you, but I think they are absolutely darling and cheery, and I couldn't resist. A couple other things that I was actually shocked to see at Dollar Tree this year are these little metal decor pieces. I think this tree is so cute. I feel like it has a little bit of a whimsical vibe. I couldn't resist grabbing 3 of these. I think that it will look so cute on it as a centerpiece on a table. And again, if you don't love the red color, you can spray paint it whatever you want. But it did come in various colors, not just red. This reindeer is just everything. I think it is so cute. I had to get the gold and I cannot wait to decorate with these come Christmas. Speaking of reindeer, Dollar Tree has various little wood cutouts this year and I had to get the little reindeer. I actually got 3 of them, but they are little light up ones. Are you kidding me? How cute are these? And just $1 window. That's the window. I'm not gonna be able to get that out of here, am I? Nope. When you wait to record and he shows up early, you are at the mercy of whoever, whenever, and however it happens. Speaking of reindeer, you guys, Dollar Tree has these little wood cutouts. Speaking of reindeer, Dollar Tree has these little wooden cutouts and they have different shapes. I chose the reindeer because, okay, I just think it's super cute and I had to get 3. You might see where I'm going with these once I put them all together because I just thought it was so cute, but look at this. There's a little light inside. How cute is that? And just for $1, love it. Something else that Dollar Tree surprised me with this year were their bottle brush trees. I love this large size for $1, but especially with this wooden base. I think they're so pretty. You can get these in some different colors, and there's also one that looks kind of like it has like 3 different sections on it as well. A couple different options for you if you are looking for a really cute bottle brush tree. They are just beautiful. They also have packages of the smaller bottle brush trees with the wooden bases. I happened to pick up the package of gold ones, but they do come in different colors. I think, again, these are super beautiful and such a great price for what you are getting. If you are looking for Bells for Christmas, you need to look no further than Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree has all different colors and sizes of Jingle Bells, and I absolutely love these large jumbo size ones. You get 6 for $1. I think they are so cute and almost an essential to have if you are doing any sort of DIYs for Christmas. Something else that I think you should pick up at Dollar Tree are these wired lights. I think these are so great. They are 3 feet long and multicolored. I think that's such a great deal to only pay $1 for them. If you've been around Dollar Tree for a while, you know that their little wooden houses were such a find, but this year Dollar Tree brought out these cute little metal houses. I think they are darling. They also have red and green, but I could not resist the galvanized metal. I think they are super cute, and I absolutely love these. What would a Dollar Tree haul be like if I could not at least share one sign? So this is the sign that I picked up this year. Believe in the magic of Christmas. I think it is super cute. I love the little wooden frame around it, but what actually grabbed my attention were the cute little wooden beads on top as well. I just think it is darling. Last year, Dollar Tree brought out a little mini cloche, and this year we have the high dome cloche. I think that this is super cute, and if you see it in store, I think you should snatch it up. It is never too soon to get ready for those holiday parties, and I could not resist picking up this snowflake pattern with a red background. I thought it was just simple and elegant. It would work for any party. I'm actually my son's room parent, and therefore I will be planning his winter party come Christmas time, and I wanted to make sure I had some plates and napkins ready to go. Dollar Tree has you covered for every room, including the kitchen, and I thought this black and red buffalo check dish mat was so cute. I couldn't resist getting it. I think that this is such a great deal. I love that it's $1. You won't feel guilty pulling it out at Christmas time and then putting it away and pulling it out again next year. If you tend to have a lot of dishes that you need to dry, then you can always get 2 of these and put them next to each other. It's definitely worth $1. One of my absolute favorite things at Dollar Tree this year are these tree collars. They have 2 different ones. Look how cute these are. I have seen these in other stores, and let me tell you, I have never seen them as low as $1. So if you find these, snatch them up if you have a mini tree, because how darling are they? Dollar Tree definitely has some really cute ribbon for Christmas this year, and I couldn't resist picking up a few of them. I love their skinnier ribbon. That is what I was drawn to, and I think they are darling. Not only do I use them in my projects, but I love to wrap my presents with it. And let me tell you, I'm rather excited to get wrapping this year. These are super pretty. Dollar Tree always has some really great floral, and my favorite Christmas pick this year is this one. I absolutely love the frosted tips on the greenery, the little Christmas ornament, and the pine cone. I just think it's super cute. Dollar Tree has been bringing out berries the last few holidays and seasons, but these Christmas berries, let me tell you, I was so excited, especially for these frosted ones. I think they are so cute and perfect for Christmas. I can't wait to use them in projects on wreaths. I'm absolutely just smitten with them. I just think they are beautiful. Dollar Tree has some of the best ornaments for $1, but these packs with 8 wooden ornaments are definitely some of my favorites that you can find, because I think getting 8 of them for $1 is such a steal. I couldn't resist. I definitely had to grab the Santa and the snowman. I have an entire room dedicated to snowmen, and I think all of these are so cute. Not only can you decorate these in a solid color, but you can definitely, if you are snazzy, decorate them with faces and paper. I mean, there's so many different things you can do with these, and again, 8 of them for $1, what a steal. My absolute favorite ornaments that Dollar Tree has this year that you don't have to do a thing to but hang on your tree would be these white ornaments. I think they are delicate, pretty. I love the texture that is on them, and these little sequins will bounce the light that is on your tree around, and I think the way that it catches the light is just beautiful. I was so excited to see these. To me, they look like little snowballs, little angel wings, anything that you want to think of. Absolutely, this takes the cake. These are the winners for this year. Super excited to have them. Here's the part 1 to my Dollar Tree Christmas haul and a Christmas DIY video I know you'll love. Thank you so much for spending your time with me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.